Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am from APS Fort Road Middle Wing Boys. Topic of this week is factorization of quadratic expressions. We have learned that factorization is the process of expressing an algebraic expression as a product of two or more algebraic expressions. Factorization is the reverse of expression. General form of quadratic expression is ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant or coefficient of last term where power of x is 0. Boys, in this example we will identify a, b and c. Expression is 5x square plus 3x plus 9. Coefficient of x square is plus 5, so a is equal to plus 5. Coefficient of x is plus 3, so b is equal to plus 3, and constant is plus 9. We will use X-box method to solve quadratic expressions. First step, we will express quadratic expression in its standard form. We will create an x factor with the product AC on the top, the middle term b on the bottom, and the factors m and n on the top sides. Next, create a 2 by 2 box. In the first box, put the first term, and in the last box, put the last term. Put the two factors m and n times the variable x in the leftover boxes. Determine the HCF and GCF. Here GCF stand for greater common factor of the upper boxes and the remaining top and the side factor. The sum of the factors for the top and the side are the factors of the quadratic expression. For factors m and n, multiply the first and the last term together. Then we will find factors from multiplication. In the end, write this pair down in the remaining boxes. Here some rules for signs are given. When C is positive, its factors have the same sign. The sign of B tells you whether the factors are positive or negative. When B is positive, factors are positive, and when B is negative, factors are negative. Second, when C is negative, its factors have opposite signs. The sign of B tells you which factor is positive and which is negative. The factors with the greater absolute value has the same sign as B. Number 3, if when A is negative, take minus as a common. If you have trouble remembering the rules for which factor is positive and which factor is negative, you can try all the factors pairs and check their answers. Here an example of X-box method. X square plus 4x minus 12. We need to find the factors of minus 12 that add up to 4. Since minus 12 can be written as product of minus 2 and 6, and minus 2 plus 6 is equal to plus 4, we can use the numbers minus 2 and plus 6 to the factors of given expression. So our answer is x plus 6 and x minus 2. It doesn't matter which way you do the diagonal entries, the answer will work out the same either way. You can check your answer by multiplying back to get the original answer. Okay students, Allah